welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for junior. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint the glory of sunrise on soft pastel. This is very interesting medium for beginners. If you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. Before that, I want to introduce my art materials. I use here 2B or 4B pencil for drawing, and for color I use soft pastel. Okay, at first we draw a standing line at the middle of the page for dividing two parts. Then we draw a round shape. We write here as the English alphabet, then repeat the same line for neck. This portion touch this line. This is our guideline, and then we draw a round shape for body and draw a diagonal line. Then we draw a shape of drops. We draw a round shape, then we shape them a drops of water like this. Then we draw a V shape for beak at the little down portion. Then we continue the line and shape U for tail of heron. Then we draw two tilted line. In between we draw a V. Then it makes W. This is for legs of heron. We draw a straight line for legs. Then we draw the horizon line. Then we draw bushes far away, some palm tree and a foreground land and some big grass or plant. Then we make round shape, rising sun. At first I am drawing the rough sketch, then I am going to finalize the drawing with single line. So I erase all these lines. Having finished the drawing, then I apply the colors accordingly. Let's introduce the color for sky. Lemon yellow, deep yellow or light orange, and red. This is the color range. At first we apply the yellow around the sun. Then we use deep yellow or light orange. After deep yellow we use orange. Then we mix the color with the fingers. Then we apply the same color on the river. At first we apply the lemon yellow at the top of the river. Then we apply light orange. We apply red color for the wave of river. We draw the horizon line little bit smaller. Sharp green for the bushes. Then we use light green and sharp green for the foreground land. We use orange for sun and applying red around the sun. Then we use the sky blue for the shading of heron. Then we apply white color. Burnt sienna for beak and dark brown for legs. Then we use sap green for grass. Black for deep part. I think I finished my work and hope you have enjoyed very much. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.